Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, May 3, 2021, and today is the first trading day of the month. It's the first trading day of May, and that's exactly what we're going to be looking at this morning. So I'm going to hop into Discover and load this up. This is a quick and easy study to load up in all four instruments. The setup is going to be based upon entering the market at the open of regular trading hours as a long. And the only thing we're going to be looking at this morning is what has happened historically on the first trading day of May. So that's available in the calendar library here. If I click on calendar, I can go over to unique days, and I can say it is the first trading day of the month. That is the top option. I'm going to hit equals next to that. And I'm also going to say that it is May, so we can look at May specifically, and that is in the month category. You can also grab both of those from the active today. Now, I'm not going to add anything else to this. We've got data going back to 2003, and I don't want to lose any samples, so I'm not going to be adding gap direction or market environment type of filters that I normally would add to this. We're just going to look at the first trading day of May specifically here this morning. So I've got those added. Now I can hit view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at the open of regular trading hours, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and exiting at the close of regular trading hours, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when it is the first trading day of the month, and the month is May. So historically, we've got data going back to 2003. That gives us 18 samples for each of the instruments here. The S&P, it looks like 2 out of 3 of those, 67% of those, have closed above the opening print for the first trading day of the month in May. And that's what that win percent means, is how many have finished above the open. Looks like for the NASDAQ, it's about 61%. The Dow's a bit more neutral, 56%, and the Russell, just like the NASDAQ, coming in at 61%. So historically speaking, these have ended up with green candlesticks more often than not in all of the instruments. S&P is the only one that's really starting to get skewed towards that direction, though the others are a bit more mild since we're only looking at 18 samples. It's not a huge sample size, so the other ones are just a little bit more mild in light of that sample size. If we look at the average win to average loss, you can see the average loss is larger than the average win here in all four instruments. So for the S&P, the average loss quite a bit larger than the average win. That's true for the NASDAQ. That is also true for the Dow and true for the Russell. So bigger moves have taken place on the downside, historically speaking, but more often than not, it has closed above the opening print, giving you a green daily candlestick more often than not. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.